What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Gamers Quest Mechanic Special. Today we're gonna change brake pads on a 2011 Toyota Camry. Today we're gonna get dirty. Safety first. Put on your gloves so your hands won't get dirty, and put your glasses for safety. Look on the bottom. There's a arrow showing you where to put the jack to. But safety first. Put a jack sander underneath. Before jacking up the car, loosen the lug nuts and use it with a breaker bar that says 21mm socket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good? Time to jack it up, guys. With the car jacked up and the jack stand underneath, it's time to take the tires off. One more. Oh my God! Now we took the tires off. Since we're just removing the brake pads, only take off the caliper and remove 2 14mm bolts. Did you do that one?
Mm-hmm.
I can pass it. With the bolts out, remove the caliper. Since we're removing the pads, you can rest the caliper up here or hang it. These pads have 2 pins. We have to remove them, but be careful because they might fly out. So take them off, and then take this one off, then put them here, and then remove this. And remove. We replaced the clips with new ones. We also cleaned the motor with a brake cleaner. A tip that most people forget to do is take out the guide pin and clean them and re-grease them. This is why we wear gloves, so we won't get dirty by the grease.
And put it back in there.
What?
In the hole when you're done.
brakes and the new clips in. Time to put new brake pads in. Guys, we got the new pads in, but guys, don't forget to put on the new pins. Now we have to put the piston back into the caliper. But before you do that, you have to open your brake reservoir so nothing can get damaged.
All back in.
Good. That's probably good. New clips are in. Brake pads are on. We grease the pin and we put the piston in the caliper. Now to slide this baby on. This one. Also, what we're gonna do is drain the brake fluid.
Push this down.
I broke it. I probably just gotta turn it off. Yep. Alright guys, the brake fluid is clean and the tires are gone now. Put the lug nuts back on. Also guys, don't do it a circle, you have to do it in a star. Alright guys, that is how you change brake pads on a 2011 Toyota Camry. Bye guys, see you next video.